Hello everyone, sziasztok! Today I'm gonna show you a very popular Hungarian folk song called Tavaszi Szél, Wind of Spring, and how to play it on guitar. There are just few chords used in this song, which makes it kind of accessible for many beginner guitar students, guitar learners. The main chords used are C, F, A minor, and G. And as you can see, I am using a capo here on the first fret, which you don't need to. This is only because my guitar has a tuning which is just 1/2 step down than the standard tuning. That's why I have to use a capo on the first fret. And the strumming pattern used for this song is down, down, up. Down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up. Practice until you feel comfortable. So I'm gonna sing you the song in two ways. First, I'm gonna sing you the song not with Hungarian lyrics, but rather with the chord names, the chord titles. So C, F, C. So that's how it's gonna sound. So you don't need to watch your screen, but rather you can focus on the chords that you're playing and listen to me and switch to the chords when you hear the chord name. Alright, so let's get started. 1, 2, 3. C, 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 F, C, C, G, C, 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 F, A minor, G, G, A minor, C, 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 F, C, C, G, C, 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 F, A minor, G, 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 A minor, C, 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 F, C, 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 G, C, 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 F, A minor, G, A minor, C, 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 F, C, C, G, C, 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 F, A minor, G, 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 A minor. Let's go. Tavaszi Szél, vizet, áraszt, virágom, virágom. Minden, madár, társat, választ, virágom, virágom. Hát én immár kit válasszak, virágom, virágom. Engemet, én tégedet, virágom, virágom. Zöld pántlika, könnyű, gúnya, virágom, virágom. Mert azt a szél könnyen fújja, virágom, virágom. A fátyol, nehéz, gúnya, virágom, virágom. Mert azt a földig húzza, virágom, virágom. Tavaszi Szél,